Diffusion models have been successful at text-to-image, 3D, and video synthesis, but have been heavily underexplored in 4D synthesis, mostly due to the extreme difficulty of the problem. The central problem which this research by Hornling and his colleagues addresses is that the generation of dynamic animated 3D objects from text, which is underexplored compared to static 3D object synthesis. AYG or Align Your Gaussians aims to synthesize dynamic 4D content using store distillation methods with an additional temporal dimension. The primary objective of this paper is to create vivid, detailed, and 3D consistent dynamic scenes using a compositional generation framework. This method is called as Align Your Gaussian or AYG in short. AYG leverages dynamic 3D Gaussian splatting with deformation fields as a 4D representation. There are two stages or steps to this solution. The first stage generates a static 3D scene using text-guided multi-view diffusion models, and the second stage introduces dynamics to this state scene through a deformation field. Both methods are based on variants of score distillation, sampling STS, and the 4D dynamic score is represented as Gaussian point clouds. The method combines text-to-image, text-to-video, and 3D aware multi-view image diffusion models to provide feedback during 4D object optimization. The first stage is a variant of MVDream with Gaussian splatting. On top of the representation obtained in the first stage, a deformation field is learned in the second stage, where the parameters are fitted with gradients from STS of a text-to-video diffusion model. And to ensure high quality visual content, gradients from text to image are also incorporated into random renderings. Optimization of deformation fields can be done autoregressively to yield long videos of 4D dynamics. So as you can see in this table, the results have shown that AYG can not only generate diverse detailed dynamic 4D scenes, but it has also outperformed MAV 3D in terms of overall quality, 3D appearance, motion amount, and motion realism. A really fascinating research, I would say. I'll drop the link in video description so that you can read along further. Really hats off to these researchers for coming up with this fabulous research. Thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any thoughts, comments, please share them. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.